I got the letter that you left in my mailbox. Sometimes love ain't meant to last forever. It turns me back into the stone man I was before. Been diving back into that Tennessee whiskey. At least it has the decency to tell me it miss me. Open all my windows, lock the front door, and it'll be a cold day in hell before I let you back into my bed. And it'll be a cold day in hell before these thoughts of you fill up my head. I'm holding on, I'm holding on, and letting you go. Too numb to feel the wind across my face, too blind to see the shadows dancing in their place, too wise to ever let you walk back in through the door. And it'll be a cold day in hell before I let you back into my bed. And it'll be a cold day in hell before these thoughts of you fill up my head. I'm holding on, I am holding on. I'm saying goodbye one last time. I'm saying goodbye. It'll be a cold day in hell before I let you back into my bed. And it'll be a cold day in hell before these thoughts of you fill up my head. And it'll be a cold day in hell before I let you back into my bed. It'll be a cold day in hell before these thoughts of you fill up my head. I'm holding on, I am holding on, and letting you go.
We all wanna be a little stronger. Each fall takes a piece out of our hearts. So I'll run away, away into the darkest parts of me. I need a change desperately. I thought love was a lost art till you showed me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go. Never gonna let you go until we're both on souls running out for love. You were there with open arms when I thought love was a lost art.
Holding close, holding tight, Let the moon slowly take over on the night. The sky has never been clearer than now. The little lights float around, a million fireflies that never touch the ground. I see your pretty eyes light up as they fly away, heading towards town. I've seen 1,000 suns, too many pretty sights have crossed my way. But you'll always be beautiful, a little boy, a little girl, playing love games in the middle of it all. A little kiss, a little touch, yeah, it's all it takes, know for sure. Auburn eyes, a single bed, staring at the ceiling, slowly lean your head. Put it on my shoulder and I close my eyes, praying for this night to never end. Seen many lovely nights with stars that shine as far as I could see. But you'll always be beautiful to me. Seen many lovely nights with stars that shine as far as I could see. But you'll always be beautiful, holding close, holding tight. Let the moon slowly take over on the night. The sky has never been